Hello, this is Mark from MWB Arts, and today I am opening up a package I got from Cinnamon, from the art Sherpa, Cinnamon Cooney and John. They sent us all, the design team members of the ATC design team, a package in the mail, and I received it today, and I just wanted to open it up and share it with you what I got. So, it was wrapped up in bubbles, of course, and inside this package is a box. In the box, if you can see that, it has a cool looking keyhole there, and some cool corner, embellishments that looks like a chest, like a box, like you'd open up for your jewelry and stuff like that. And on that it says, if I can turn that just right, it says "Dream as if you'll live forever." So let's open this up and see what is inside. Ooh, inside we got some confetti for protection. Ooh, I love this. It's the easels that you would use to put your little ATC cards on, that you do your art on. So I got two of those. It's my two ATCs I can display when I get them done. And also I have a sleeve that has multiple colors of some blue tones, gray tones, some tan colors, and cream color white. Oh, so these are like the Mi-Teintes paper, most likely, that like works with the soft pastels. So, and inside this also, there is the soft pastels. Oh yes, thank you so much, John and Cinnamon. Oh, I played with the soft pastels before, but I don't know if I played with the Faber Castels. And it is a set of 24. So inside here, I opened up here, and it is a box that has 24 of the pastels. Oh, and also there's some stumps here in different various sizes, anywhere from, looks like 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and I've used the stumps before for blending for the pastels. And so now I will be creating one of my designs, maybe both designs, with soft pastels. And now also the soft pastels, you want to make sure and give it a light seal, which I have somewhere in the house also that I can. So they're going out too. So now I will be taking these Faber Castels and papers here, and I will be creating something for you, and I will video that too. And so I will probably share it on this video here, and so I'll be right back with that. But it may be a day before I actually record it, but it'll seem like just an instance for you. So thanks again, and remember there are 6 others involved in the design team, and they too will be receiving a box of goodies from Cinnamon and John. I don't know if it's going to be the same thing or what, but they'll be all surprised, and you'll be surprised what they create with their inspiration box also. And I know there's another name for this box, and I will say it when I come back to create my ATC with what I received for inspiration. And thank you for coming here, and make sure and check out my description down below for the other 6 people that are involved in the ATC design team. And they all have YouTube channels or Twitch channels, and it may have Instagram media. Make sure to check out their Instagram sites and Facebook sites, and just grab your colorful media that you like to work with, and maybe paint along with me, or if you like pastels, get out pastels and come back here and paint with me too. You can pause it, and paint with me also. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in just a little bit. Bye. Hello, welcome back. And now, after I've opened up the experience box, I told you I was going to tell the name of it for the ATC design team. And now I am going to create a project. I did a little practice one here, and it looks like that. And I had fun creating that. And for that, I used soft pastels, and then some pastel pencils. Pastel pencils were the Derwent pencils. So I used the Faber Castell soft pastels, and then derwents just to add a little extra detail areas and colors that I needed to finish the project. And let's see, it's a little dark. Let's see if I can get that a little brighter for you. Exposure. There we go. Maybe that's a little brighter. Anyway, so this project I did here, I used pastels and also a Pentel Brush pen, which is, and what I did with that is I crinkled up a piece of plastic and put this black ink all over it. And after I had everything painted or pastel or put on here, I used a fixative, let it dry for about 20 minutes or so, and then I took and added some antiquing looking kind of, and so I put these little black marks all over it and kind of made the mask look a little more antiqued. And this mask was inspired by an artist, Lois Mailou Jones. She lived from 1905 to 1998, and her influence was look towards Africa and the Caribbean for her experiences in life when painting. She did a lot of oil paintings and stuff, so this was probably a mask that was done in oil paintings. And she was a teacher also, and her art today is still being seen as all over the world in exhibits and as teaching also. I've seen several sites that they actually use a lot of these mask techniques to teach children how to, in schools and stuff like that, how to do different mask techniques and paintings. And so I just wanted to make sure, and I got that out there, that I was influenced by her artwork. And now today I am going to do another mask.
pastels that it smudges and stuff. So in between stages here, while I'm trying to add some other layers of different items, I need to put on a workable fixative. I'm using the Krylon brand, and it's great for pastels, chalk drawings, and stuff, and it'll keep it from smudging. Also, finally, when I seal it at the end, also I'll spray it with a light dusting of this, and let it dry before using anything else on it, and that way it's good to go. Thanks. Okay, I'm coming close to the end of this project. Just putting on a couple final touches with some Faber Castell pen here. And just like to say one more time, make sure you can check out all the other videos out there that are created by the Design ATC team. 6 other members. They'll be in my description. And yeah, please check them out. And I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, subscribe, like, share, comment, share with all of your other social medias, and remember to check out their sites too. And yeah. Oh, and don't forget that I'll be coming out with the June theme soon, and don't forget to send out your May ATCs at the end of May here. And thanks for coming again, and have fun creating and put some color on your canvas and just have fun. Thanks a lot. Bye.